And hello everybody. Finally fixed the internet connection. Had to restart my router. So finally we're live. Quick update. I tried to do some positions last Friday and last week, so still had those open and some new ones. So still wanted to go max 10 risk per position, so we will see. For now everything's fine, I think. So nothing too crazy after Friday. Got that goal of 1200 here, and on my other account I got every day at least 1%, so still trying to catch the percent for one day and in average, and to see how it goes. Let's see some ideas. I think nothing changed so far for ideas itself. So um, GP Aussie maybe. This other sideways is letting the other side to cool down, and then can do one more leg down or maybe two. So we'll see. That's the general idea. Want to read more on every random line. So Aussie dollar is not going down. Why? Because Dixie went down and GP went down. Really interesting. So the news for pound wasn't so good after all, it seems. Dixie, nothing crazy here. S&P 500 is just, I know people are expecting great earnings, but I'm not too certain we are going to have amazing earnings. But hey, this is crazy times and everything is possible. Had a short last night from here and took profit on S&P on my other account. Now looking to short S&P around here, but we will see. There's a way to go to there. As 100 respected the feed, but I didn't want to close this short here on the Friday. I wanted to have a more profit, and it went up, didn't close it. Wanted a bigger reaction at least to this fib and make profit, didn't. So going to read here a bit more, and we will see how it goes if it touches a new all-time high on the 11K. So something like that. Last night I did some crazy trading also. Didn't do for a while. So maybe I'm on the bigger risk side for now. I don't know. But overall, no account is risking more than 10% on the position, so it's fine. Waiting to see if there's someone from the team. Port is here on the Discord, but not on the voice. Uh,
Hello?
hey, what's up?
How's it going? Not
Yep.
much, not much. I totally forgot to tune in. Like I looked at the watch, like damn, 5 minutes after the hour, I was like charting and somehow forgot time.
Mm. Everything's fine. You need to prepare yourself for the week.
Yeah, that's always the worst day, Monday morning, to get back into it.
It's fine. Uh, some really bad news for GBP. Like this really looks like Rex City. Like I'm looking on the Aussie dollar, it's going sideways, but GBP just going down.
It's good for me.
Yeah, I agree. I expect a bit lower GBP maybe one more time, like on the next random line, like 5629, and maybe then some reaction, but we will see. I'm putting a bit bigger risk, want a bit bigger gains, so we will see how it goes. Should be fine long term, but we'll see. We will see. GBP again touching this random line. So yep, next one is moved down. It's dollar. The dollar on 5 minutes looks like short. On 15 minutes, no, it doesn't look like short. Hmm. Yeah, GBP is Rex City. And looking even GBP pair on Aussie dollar, it's like 0.7% down. Crazy. Really good. I think on that long in this maybe, possibly. Yep, have some random line on the 30385, 0385, 0385, 0385, 0385. Yep, one order there. Put one order here. Why not? Try it a bit. Come on. Need to front run it because of the thread. I also forgot that. Hi Misha, what's up, what's up? Look where you're driving, don't do some crazy stuff. Laser, hi my man. I forgot the Mondays are fun to start trading. It always do crazy stuff. Not always, but like 90% of the time. And today is looking like a similar day for that. Mhm.
And then depends what news we will also get. Often news was on Tuesdays. Depends.
I got the mail. I got the mail. Just a second, let me find the mail. Got the mail for a whole week in advance from the market. So like, let's see. Monday, government barely speak. Uh, Tuesday, Australia, business confidence. China trade balance. UK GDP, sorry. Wednesday, outlook report, monetary policy statement and press conference, UK inflation, US industrial product, Chairman Jordan speaks, monetary, Jesus, too many too many news. Let's Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, nothing crazy, but I think we have some earnings today. No? We should check that. Earnings report, and that's, I think, the reason for the pump of NAS 100 and S&P.
I don't think their earnings went up, so it depends on the industry, but I mean everything just they laid
Still,
off
I
chipped
think
off.
still earnings are not out. This is pre earnings pump. People are expecting moon time, crazy earnings and stuff like that. So if you
Oh,
have your
okay, yeah.
dividends, like you're going to get rich. But I'm not sure people are like
Yeah, like pump the rumor, sell the news.
not sure. But I saw the Brian tweet. He's expecting lower. I think last time he missed it also. He first said down, then up, but I think first up, then down, and that down is going to be too fast. Like no, people are not going to catch it. What's up, Javis?
Hey boys, how are you?
Good.
Already tired. Had a big meeting today, and uh, too many calculations in my head. I have to. I'm not writing the code itself, but I have to find all
Write
the
all the
rules.
logic for it.
Yeah. So already
Yep.
stuck on the one thing I already knew I'm going to stuck on the freaking random lines. That's so easy and random that I'm already stuck. How to freaking explain to the program where to find the random lines. Ah. So
I see you're still holding your GBP USD long. I have one that I'm scaling into as well.
uh, after last night and realizing I'm going to need like 100k for this bot. Like I need to step up the game, so so I don't. This is 4,000 position. That's not enough even to even if it goes 100% in my direction, it's not enough to pay anything. It doesn't matter. It's going to be fine. Just I traded a bit bigger position. Even my Misha dude wasn't prepared for the position. Yeah, I figured out I was on the bench long enough. It's time for me to step up the game for this year, but nothing too crazy. Yeah. Also this morning was really good. I don't know why I closed the freaking position. If I didn't close it, ooh, don't, too bad I closed it. Oof.
Which one?
I had a long position on 92.70 on the Bitcoin.
Ah, okay.
A small position, like 1 million. It went like 1% higher. So if I didn't close it that, like if I put the profit target, let me show you what I saw, why I took position. I first wanted to took here position on the deribit, but because of the position size, it didn't fill my order, and it just front runned me on deribit. And then I quickly did a limit order, passed only because of the fees. It's too big position for losing fees. On 72, yeah, here. And I already got pussy out like on this week top. I just went out. But if I
Needs
hold
money,
it,
man.
but if I hold it to my fib thingy,
Random line.
yep, would be a good. Yesterday I took yesterday my long that that crazy position was here. And imagine if I didn't close that one, this would be a really interesting part. But hey, everything's good. I just need to step it up. I need a budget for this one, so I need to work a bit harder. So nothing crazy, but
Long way down to your other random line from there, though.
yeah, I know. I had my finger on the button. Had my finger on the button. So if it just started to go against me, I would close it like instantaneously, because in my head, if I didn't react first 10 seconds as I wanted, I'm out. That's same like this scalping. So only something I already did in Swiss trading, but didn't do from the February this year. I pussy myself. So nothing crazy there. Smack it. 300 BTC. And need to step up the game. You saw like those wolf guys going to pass me, So I need to. I need to.
Chain link.
No problem with the chain link. When with this crew, we really have a good time. We had a great time last night also, but there's some crazy dudes from other groups, but they want to spy on us. So they were talking smack to me and my position sizing and stuff like that. So like, let's just do one position just to just to show how the game goes. But yeah, I still uh, like sweated like pig. My shirt was instantaneously wet, like I washed it. Instantaneous, like that was 15 seconds. I don't know. My holding of the position was smaller than 1 minute, but I was already wet as like I was
Drenched
in the
in
pool.
sweat.
Yeah, but just wanted to remember how it is. So now it's fine. I just need to back it down for a bit, because you get too excited. You think you're God. You don't miss stuff, and then like just track yourself. Like you know who, like Mr. I know the best, and guys like that.
Yep.
Like you think you got two big positions and you win it, and just on that third one you're going to wreck your account. So just step down a bit and like enjoy for 5 days, because you need to you need to cool your head down, because it's not normal. For me at least, still not normal. Good thing, Jebus, is you weren't live on Zoom. Even my best friend that works in Swiss is going on the team with us. We need help.
Why isn't that a good thing?
No, it's a good thing. The good thing is that he's also with us.
Oh, okay.
Because I think I will need still help from them, because still don't understand how to freaking explain what thing bot look. I'm looking on that rule whole weekend, sorry. At like 15 hours, I was trying to figure out how to explain the proper swing.
Yeah,
And
man, I've
still
seen
don't
you do it
understand.
so many times now, and I'm like, I don't get it. Like, I can't draw random lines.
Last night, we were trading Chainlink. They were trading, I was watching and swearing at them because I didn't bought it for 4.2 because of their advice, and was every my rule was filled, and I thought like 4.2, like get in, it's going to new all-time high. But no, they know better because they're really longer there, but yeah, doesn't matter. And I did random lines on the new all-time high, and it was like 6.5. And I said like, yeah, this going like this night. it's going to 7.29 or 7.3. And they were like, no, 7 is not everybody, but one guy that's really good, and he learned the speed projections, and he said, yes, 7 is how it called, psychological number, and 7 is my fee projection. And I said, like, there's nothing on the 7. Like, really, dude, I'm looking, 7 is like empty as hell, nothing is there. And like, just share the screen, I really want to see it. And I see the swing, it was like random swings trying to match on the right, and okay, it matched 2 times, but that's not really a random line. You know, no, you need the randomness to fill the random line, you know, like this is not proper. And like,
Yeah,
to,
explain random to a computer or to people trying to code a bot.
yeah, like hour later, like 7.29, like easy, just snap. And I thought it's going to have a bigger retracement, and I had the orders preparing, but it didn't. It
Didn't
had
get
like two,
there.
yeah,
Just mooned.
it just moon. Yeah, I thought like at least 8% retracement, and I want to get in also. When I didn't got in for 4.2, stupid of me, doesn't matter. And no, it just made it made reaction 7.29. It was like 2%, 2 point something, but wasn't 8 as my first idea. So I didn't get in, and it just again made all-time high. Freaking unbelievable. That's crazy. So yeah, my randomness in the program is going to, I really don't understand how to explain it. I will try to explain it, thinking that the Swiss friend, but I still think I will need like advices from the guys there. Not sure I can properly explain how I find that.
Mm.
It's
It's one of
really
the
annoying.
few mysteries in your trading for me, so I don't know that I can provide much info or translation.
But if I do it like in like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, I find a way, I should be able to explain it somehow properly. Not sure how, but look, we have a really good base for the bot itself. We already have institutional levels with the low levels, so level part is not hard to explain. Second thing,
Yeah.
trend for against 21, and with the 21, again, it's not too hard. Third thing, I already have a base code for the candlestick pattern, and after 2 candles with shooting star or camel, like something like this, it's going to take a position. So I already have code for that. So I need to implement, if 2-3 rules combine, take this position, this kind of position, or take that kind of position, but still don't understand don't understand. I don't know how to properly explain the last part for the random lines. It's going to suck a big time. It's really annoying. Something you do every day for last year, and you still don't understand how to explain. You don't know how to explain that. That's really annoying. Really, it's just telling me that I suck, man. Like, I am doing something that I don't know how to properly explain. That's
It's
really bad.
subconscious, that's all. I think it's just subconscious in that case, right?
Oh, I suck. Like, and I'm really mad, starting to be mad at myself, because like every time when somebody like introduces me a bot, and I tell like, you know how to explain the program, how to find that, and like 99.9% people don't understand what the hell they're talking about. And now I'm in the same position, like I'm trying to explain something that I don't really know how to explain, but I am using it every day, whole day. Today, GBP CAD was falling. I wasn't looking, and somebody was stuck in a bad position and just asked me, "Can you find the random lines, sir, please?" Like 15 seconds later, I showed them a bottom of the USD CAD. Where is the no USD CAD? It's GBP CAD. Come on, GBP CAD. This load chart. This and GBP CAD. Come on, GBP CAD. $15. Yep, I got this retracement because like I can imagine if I started longing around here and it broke 200, it would be like if there's no random line because like it doesn't like where is going to stop, like it can go much lower. So but it wasn't too hard to find the random line. Like here's the one swing, but I think there's a better one. Yeah, here's the better one. No, yeah, this is it. First, second. And how the hell I'm going to tell the bot to go to this area?
I don't even know. Like, even just from that, where you skipped from one swing to another, I'm like, why would you pick that one over any of the other swings there?
And this guy yesterday, he had, I said from failure to failure, and his projection was something like this. And I said, that's not failure from failure. Like, you're just matching this one, like this. I said, okay, this is matching here, and you're hoping that this is going to match something, and probably it will, but I really don't need that kind of randomness. Yeah, I know it's a random line, but that's not start swing to the start swing, it's high to bottom. That's a different kind of fib. It's not fib projection, it's fib retracement. And if it goes properly retracement, it's the 1618 to 618 is going to be a profit target. I already explained that in the video on the YouTube, if you remember. So it's a bit different strategy, but hey, and I really want to see where this low is going to be found. Let's say like that. If this blah do that blah, fuck it, cannot. Oh, I found it. If this blah do that blah, so it is, and it matches properly. Well, let's see for 1 hour. Yep, but I don't like it. Just level speaking. Was this tested?
No.
Not even close. Like this looks like untested level on
Straight
1
rip.
hour. Yep. So
The only
like
thing that could save it to me is on that left-hand side swing. So
this
go
one.
back to the left. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I agree. But technically,
Which is that as well. Yeah.
this low started here, from that high to this, but this really was ripping crazy, crazy, crazy. So
There's been
anyway,
some crazy shit happen, I gotta say. That's a straight up rip too. Look at the wicks on the way up.
yeah,
And just open and close next to each other with like very little wick on top or the bottom.
this
Crazy.
But look at the candlestick style on this 1 hour. So you had this candle up, you have this candle up, you had this candle down, you had this candle down. You had two same candles, and because of this first, you're not going to lose. Stop loss is under this. You're going to make money. Like candlestick on GBP CAD is really looking nice. Like look 21 on 1 hour. It's really, really good. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's still tradable. I did never look at this pair till today. This was my first look, so I don't understand the logic behind the price action. But just looking on the stuff, but again, my eyes can deceive me because I'm looking, but I want to see. So it's
Looking to
possible.
identify specific patterns already.
Yeah, so maybe it's just my imagination. I should like put it through the testing. But after this, after this, like if you long it here, you're stupid as motherfucker. Like just don't trade anymore. Like please, just stop it. Like somebody longer there. Like it wouldn't
Oh,
go
yeah.
down. Unbelievable. Just stop trading. And really it has some this dude told me like he's trading and it's working properly, but you know my thoughts, not looking anymore on the pairs, trying to get in the position that I didn't study, and I don't want to stuck in the losing position and I don't know what to
Yep.
expect. So I didn't
There's a
want
lot
to
of
look.
crazy wicks there too,
Yeah.
right? Like right near your cursor there,
Yeah,
in the
here,
middle of your screen,
here.
kind of that fucking
Yeah.
Darth Maul candle. Like, oof, I don't want to trade that.
That's too many wicks. Unbelievable. Like I don't like maybe every 15th of the candle doesn't have some crazy wick. Like I see one here, I see like 2, 3 here, but most of time there's crazy. And look at this pump. Like I would get wrecked here probably. Maybe not because it's yeah, small percentage. That's the only thing that's going to make me safe. But after this, I was trying to start to short. After this, I'm going to double because that's my second confirmation. After that, I'm going to triple the position and like it's still not going down. Only here. Unbelievable. Crazy.
And you get
This was
stopped out at the top of that wick too, right?
depends with my new rules wouldn't. If you add ATR here on this one, your stop loss is going to be around
Whatever ATR
here,
is.
average true range.
Yeah, no, what I'm saying is whatever the ATR is at the moment.
I can already do small calculations, so it's going to be around here. So if I already took 3 positions, like here, like I need to do something else because I'm not going after the third position. I'm not going 1-to-1. I'm going to have three profit targets. So like it's going to be different kind of strategy. That's the thing that's worrying me around the bot. I wanted to explain to the program whatever I do. Not certain I can do that because after something it show down on the chart, I am calculating again, and I didn't know it's so much thing before I started writing down the rules for the program itself, and I was like, this and this and that, and god damn it, that's too much already, and this and that, like it's really going to be hard. So hopefully we're going to finish till the end of year, but
A lot of work.
but I don't want to like make a goal to end of the year, and if it it's not over, like finish, I lose my mind. So like I hope we can do it, but not too sure we can do that. Razer, yeah, I saw GBP, Euros, CHF pumping like on the MT5, yeah. I'm trying to remember where I saw. So, and this Aussie dollar, it went 6% up and then crazy down, and this is like fourth, fifth day. It's just ranging between the two random lines. Okay, this is weak higher and down, but it didn't went to another projection. So it's from this was gained. So this was 3rd of July. That's already like 10 days. Okay, technically it's 7 days, 8. But same range, like if you randomly long it here and short it around here and just hold it, was easy, easy, easy. Come on, do something like, please, Aussie dollar, god damn it. Don't stand in range again. Dixie. Hmm. 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 Hey, I took a profit target.
Rats.
Randomly. Kurats, yeah, on Aussie dollar.
Cool.
Yeah, it's really randomly today, just up, down, up, down, up, down. Like whatever you clicked, it just making money. You're printing, you see? You short on random line, you take a profit on the low of the candle randomly, no? Take a re-add on the top of the candle, you take a profit on the low of the candles, and like re-add on the, see? Like it's really easy. Up and down and up and down, like that's it. Nothing hard there. It's same like shorting tops and longing bottoms and like, take every swing. Uh,
Just on a 15-minute chart. Easy.
yeah.
Pick the very top, pick the very bottom.
Piece of cake.
I'm looking on this freaking Aussie dollar because of those 6 days. Like I really understand the tick on that. Crazy pair. Like I told you guys, I needed that kind of drawdown to like teach me a lesson. Like after that, everything seems easy enough without too many complications.
Oh, you know it's gonna be a rough week when it's Monday and I'm exhausted already.
Got no rest on the weekend.
It's weird. I got a fair bit of rest on the weekends. Just a bit off. I think the previous weeks are catching up to me potentially.
Yeah, that's something I also thought. Like I was resting on the weekend, sleeping a bit more, but still didn't feel rested. Same as you, so I understand like what you're talking about. Don't understand quite what's wrong. I think maybe it's We need a vacation, man.
Yeah, I was like that yesterday. Even I slept longer. All day was shit. I was just hanging around, not knowing what to do.
So most of the time, this Aussie dollar, US dollar, it's in the middle on the projection. Freaking insanity.
In the middle of your colored RSI.
No, other side. Sorry. Yeah, that's my brain still thinking on the projection, talking, not mics.
Your lines are on point there. You traded that very nicely. Good
Yeah,
random line.
yeah. Look, it sucked. Yeah. You got reaction too many times. Crazy insanity. But hey, whatever. Just pick a side. Doesn't matter. You're going to make money. And put randomness in your life. That's it. Uh, and I figure a way how to do my uh, push-ups better. I just get into too big position, and like in a minute, every muscle in my body is going to hurt. Like
So
one,
tense.
two, yeah, three, four. Like yeah, do exercise. Come on.
That's I've actually been pretty successful in, how we've been talking about leaving distance between entries. I'll like go do a set of kettlebell swings and sit-ups before I enter another position. It's good. Good. Forces me to step my positions out a bit more without staring at a stupid chart the entire time.
Yeah, but the moment you stare 10,000 hours, that's it. You're going to see randomness in the chaos, and then you're going to really understand. Like, click now, click here, click, 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 and like, be a ninja.
When you've entered the FX market, you are the FX market.
Schwarzwald TE 7 days nice restart. What's Schwarzwald TE? Let's
What are you
see.
talking about?
Reading the chat. So let's see. BGG, Schwarz. I don't know what's that. Schwarzwald. Let's see like this. Schwarzwald. Oh, okay, so I don't know how to. Let's try like this.
It's their ticker.
Hmm.
Hotels?
Mining Limited. What's the ticker, Misho? I need a ticker. I don't know what's that. Mm. Oh no. No, god damn it. Uh, just a second, guys. Oh, just understand. Misha sent me the private message on the Telegram. He didn't spoke about the ticker. He said where to go to vacation. So like, I suck. Sorry, man. I thought it's some
Show us the
company.
ticker.
Everything is trading.
Okay, so he meant the Schwarzwald. Yeah, I've been there many times. I have family there.
Why are you sitting there? Don't say anything.
Quietly.
Like quietly, they don't care. We're fucking around trying to find the ticker, and like he's laughing behind our
I
backs.
I thought you
These
are
idiots.
looking for some. I thought that's a coincidence. Never heard of that company.
These fucking Dummkopfs.
No, he was laughing his ass off. He had to turn off the mic, and he's haha, stupid, haha.
Will they learn? Hump it, GBP.
Oh, don't do it. I have a long. God damn it.
No, you want a long.
No,
What?
I already have 2 longs.
Why wouldn't you want? I'm
Because I want
confused.
lower, I have a more I have on the next random line a bigger position. So
It'll
I
get there.
want to
I guarantee you, it will get there at one point.
in one point, yeah. US dollar again, dying, die.
Dollar, are you down, 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 down?
But this, to be honest, this doesn't look to me. Don't look, doesn't
Doesn't
look
look bullish.
the around the bottom stuff like that. Still
No,
look
really doesn't, does it?
like
I'm
bearish.
curious to see what it does now, because we just hit 21 EMA, right?
Yeah, it looks like a bearish consolidation. To be honest.
We're hitting the top of this little range of consolidation as well.
I have a really bigger positions lower and really want to get in if it lets me. Let it go. Yeah. God damn it. Stupid GP. Go down. Here, sir, please. And then do bottomish. Bottomish. Round bottom, how it calls. But 1%, 1% is lower. 1% is here. So, yep. And I was reading the Misha's message. Go to Schwarzwald DA 7 days, and I was reading nice retracement, and
Yeah,
it
that's what I
says
saw
nice
too.
restart. The fuck.
That's what I was like. Oh, 7-day. So weekly chart. All right,
Yeah.
let's have a look.
You guys need a vacation if you already read that wrong.
Everything is retracement, pump down to consolidation. Okay, I think we had enough for this year of trading.
Fuck.
Even my smartwatch went crazy. I just took a glass of a new kind of lemonade, and it's just said, "Ooh, nice, go! You're exercising." Like it's like I'm still doing something, and I
You
pick a
must have drunk
glass.
that really fast.
uh, my wife
I'm
made
gonna
something
make some tea.
homemade.
I'll be back in a minute.
Nice. My wife made a new kind of lemonade with menthol, but homemade with the real plant from our garden. So it has lemon, some menthol kind of plant, and really good. Really like it. Let it go, let it go.
How's the coronavirus situation over there? Idiots still protesting in the street?
Yep, it's just going worse and worse. Everything's
Hmm,
fine. Everything's fine there.
it's fine. Mm-hmm.
So they protest that they don't want to be locked in.
Man, like this is unique situation. Like you should think about like little of tolerance. You don't want to, because of your stupidity, somebody else can get sick. That's not really okay a way of thinking. Well, it doesn't matter to me. Like as I told you, I see same on trading. we have a much bigger price on stocks than 2019 and 18. It's just all-time highs after all-time highs after all-time highs. Everything's fine. We're all going to be rich. You just take a loan from your bank, you just put in stock market, it's just going up, and you're like, in 6 months you're going to be rich. Nothing else for you to do. Like, it's easy as that. So that's people opinion. Like, everything's fine. We're just
There's a
going up.
whole bunch of those types of stories on Wall Street Brits, basically people like borrowing money to trade from a bank during the coronavirus pandemic. And they're like, oh yeah, I just bought a heap of stocks and now I'm basically rich. And so many of them are like, no, I'm just gonna keep holding it. Like, okay,
Yeah.
buddy.
Where's
Sup?
problem in that, man? There's
Yeah,
everything's fine there. Yeah, I
it's
agree.
fine. Yeah, no problems.
It only can go up. No, not like no problems there. Fucking insanity. Like same here. People are really, 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 really intelligent. Really. And
There's
yeah.
a bunch of there's what seven states in New South Wales, right? In Australia, kind of like counties, I guess you could say. And one of them is just full of fucking corona at the moment, or maybe not full, but they have the largest concentration of anywhere else in Australia. And our country just went, you know what? You're staying in your own fucking state. No one is allowed out of there, and no one's allowed into there. Full stop. That's it. Done. Full stop. No more arguments.
Yeah. And it should be
And
like
that's
that.
it. And do you know what? There's like a few people that have gone, oh, that's not really fair to us, stuck in here all the time. Or like we should have listened in the first fucking place, and this wouldn't have happened. And they're like, oh, all right then. That's it.
And do they enforce it with police or military or so?
Yeah. So the army, I think the army got called in to post a picket around the most infected area, and we have like a border patrol as well on all of the roads that lead into and out of Victoria. That's not to say that you can't get past it, right? You could just drive through the fucking bush, no probs, because Australia's a big
Yeah.
place.
It's a big bush.
Yeah.
And
Yep,
desert.
yep. Whole thing's fucking bush. Yeah.
But I understand that, man. That's going to make a bigger and bigger problem. The one moment it's just not going to be able to stop, and like Resident Evil all over the place. Like,
Yep. Zombies everywhere.
didn't people watch or play some games when they were kids? Like, god damn it, stop doing stupid shit. What? To stay at my house and enjoy with my family? Fuck them. I want to get out. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to go have a party. Okay, idiots.
Like, no, barbecue and music and a good time with my family, it's not enough. I have to go out. Like people went out before, everybody is just sitting and looking on their phone and just taking selfies. God damn it, you can do that on
Same
Skype
thing
or
anyway.
Zoom. Like you don't need to see yourself. Like sitting, like there's no hugging anymore. Like for years and stuff like that. Just sit at home and like Zoom it out there or YouTube. It doesn't matter. You don't have to go to see each other.
Yeah, and
Fucking
when they meet, they all sit around in a circle. Everybody's staring in their smartphone anyway.
yeah, that's my point. Like, why are pushing stuff that you didn't do in the first place? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? GBP, you're dead, mate. You're really dead.
It's fine. I just de-risked Riyadh lower.
I'm in small position, 0.04, so $6.
What are you gonna do? No lunch tomorrow for you.
Not going to the risk. Yesterday risking like 100k in the position. Today looking in $6. Oh, God damn it, no, that doesn't make sense. Still makes sense not to get wrecked, that's something else, but... Oh, I made the boo-boo. No, let me show you. God damn it, I closed the position really too soon. So I shorted, took a profit, short, took a profit, shorted, took a profit, and closed it now. God damn it. Motherfucker.
I love that you're angry at yourself, even though like almost every single other trade has been exact top, exact bottom. It's like, I fucked up one thing. This is the worst day ever. Fuck this.
Yeah, if I'm like thinking that I'm smart and I know this shit, I shouldn't made a mistake. Something like that.
Everyone make mistakes. Part of being human.
I agree, but you know me. It has to be perfect, or it doesn't count.
Trying to be the other voice in your head going, maybe I'm okay at this.
And look, come on, just feel me. God damn it, please, sir, please. No, not again, please. I will be a good boy. Come on. Yes, thanks, thank you.
Wrong way. Wrong way.
No, it's fine
There
now.
you go.
Because I had a blah 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 blah. So to answer your questions, why I didn't risk, I'm making money on a $dollar based on GBP/USD the whole morning.
Okay, so you're hedged elsewhere.
Yeah, so like my 5 point something or $4, like okay, I'm $4 and something in drawdown here, but I already made that money on those dollars, so like no harm, no foul. And if it going much higher, I'm going then to re-add on Aussie dollar and to make money on GBP. So I don't need to close. One position is always going to be open. Depends only what position. So yeah. I know it sounds stupid, but I told you I didn't. I took a rest with my sleeping. I slept like 8 point some hours, so it wasn't 6 hours sleeping. But I was still trying to figure out stuff at my PC. And I finally bought my son PC. It's same like this one. So he already started training today. I'm going to see how it goes on this stupid day. How he went. Really want to see.
Mondays. Have you left him to his own devices? You're
Yep.
Like, go for it, son.
Yeah. I told him like he's on the demo $1,000. If he makes 100 trades, don't risk more than 10% and makes money. He's going to get $200 from me, and everything he makes on the summer, it's his.
Nice.
No risk for him. So.
Is your country not testing? Is that what your country is doing? Not testing for COVID?
It's testing, but they're really lying to people. There's enough.
Yeah, I'm looking at your stats now, going, this isn't right, surely.
Yeah, it's 3 times smaller than it should. We already found it because people that had, let's say, heart attack because of corona, and they already had a heart disease and they died.
Pre-existing condition.
Yeah, so it's not from corona, but they freaking got the corona and really got in the hospital and died, and got on the that thingy that your putting in your lungs. They got heart attack and their body couldn't resist anymore with everything, and they died. It wasn't because of the only heart condition. Like you need like to get your facts straight. Like this doesn't sound like good. I understand like it shouldn't be like uh, people are jumping from the plane and their parachute didn't open, they got died from corona. I understand that. But if this like really happened and you're in the hospital because of the
Shouldn't laugh at
corona,
that.
yeah, but I should like people die from corona and they're jumping without the parachute. Yeah, that's okay. Like I understand that part, but this wasn't right numbers. We had elections, so I get that.
Got it. They're like, oh, no problems here.
Yeah, and somebody yesterday from that crew find a chart from Corona before and after the elections. In one moment, Corona just stopped, because
Magic.
yeah, it was magically disappearing from our country. And the moment election stopped, like it's finished, same day, it was our fault because we all got corona. We should watch each other, stuff like that. So yeah, again, I said people are just sheeps and nothing else. I know it sounds like talking smack to average person, but
Sounds
it is.
logical to me. Do you know what the kicker for me is? So if I compare your statistics to a country of a similar size, okay, so let's look at Austria. They have about 9 million people. You guys have about 9 million people. You guys both have about 18,000 reported cases. Austria has almost 800 deaths reported from it, but you guys only have 400.
Oh no, that's all data. We already have more than 1,000. So like
More than 1,000
yeah,
deaths.
yeah. 2 days ago they reported like more than 1,000 people that died from
Oh, is
corona.
this
Yeah.
this was updated? This is supposedly upgraded now from World Health Organization, but who knows where that data's gone?
Yeah,
Where that data's from?
magically.
1,000 deaths now.
Yeah.
Wow, so that's doubled theoretically.
Yeah, and like people were really mad because we like modern age and people should know everybody has a cell phone and they can record people standing in line the whole morning waiting for test for corona, but they're sick, like they cannot stand, and doctor just come out like we don't have test, like find somebody somewhere else. Where to find, goddamn it? Just everybody said we have enough tests, we have so much, like US would be like uh,
Jealous of how many
jealous.
tests we
Yeah,
have.
yeah,
Yeah.
test, and there's
We're gonna
those
send
machines.
them tests.
Yeah, how the machine is called, that
Respirators?
respirators. Yeah, we have like two times the US have, like stuff like that. Yeah, yeah, right, yeah. And I'm Mickey Mouse. God damn it. My name is Mickey Mouse, and this is Truman Show.
So I'm
Fucking
looking at a supposedly, I guess, official website for your country. I don't know, I can't read it. But it's got all of your flags all over it and shit. And yeah, your death rate's supposedly 400 being advertised internationally anyway.
yeah. They said yes 2 days before. That's because they don't count others as corona deaths. But
All right. So if
but
you
it's
died of
more, yeah,
something but also had coronavirus, then it wasn't corona.
yeah,
You had something else. Yeah.
yeah. But corona triggered that, and
You
you
died
were,
of respiratory failure, not
yeah,
relating to COVID.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Something
Unbelievable.
else.
Choking on food.
Yeah, sure.
Freaking sound. Oh, GVP, I wanted you to go more down. So like what now? I'm going to take profit on GBP and short Aussie. God damn it! Didn't want to do that.
Not like this.
Just became stupid to trade. Told you guys, the moment like you passed one threshold in trading, it's going to become bored and really trying to find a way to explain everything in the program, and like we can just have a good time and leave the program trade, and we can do a few trades just because of fun, but no need to do that. So yeah, that's the final goal for us, hopefully. Then I can go to vacation, goddammit. If
Where are we
not,
going on
I'm going to
vacation?
buy vacation, the whole place, like to live there for 2 months. I'm going to Australia. If I finish the
Oh yeah.
boat, if I promise, like this is live, so you can take my word. You know that I'm like my word is absolute. If I finish the boat this year, I'm going after the New Year's, and Corona is okay, like I can travel. I'm coming to Australia, like 100%. There's no need for me not to go. Really want
Nice.
like last, I don't know, maybe 10 years I want to go to Australia, and I'll have like few reasons.
So don't go to anywhere south of New South Wales during winter or autumn.
Man,
You want to stay in like North Australia.
if I'm like coming like thousands and thousands of miles, I'm going to come like close to your place just to see you,
Do it.
goddamn.
We'll meet in Queensland and we'll just fucking hang out at the beach.
Like
There's no COVID on the beach. We'll be fine.
yeah, the salt and the fish and like
Yeah.
jellyfish and stuff like that.
Yeah, they're fucking everywhere, but you probably won't die from those. Probably. I can't promise you. They've killed people before.
Yeah, and I really like I am big and strong, but I really really am scared of them.
You should
But
be, man. They've legit tiny little jellyfish have killed people before. How fucked up is that? They don't even have brains.
yeah, imagine that. Like, haha, come here to fuck you up.
Yep. Can't trade for shit, but they can kill you.
Black Flag Marine. Just asset step 1 on the combine on day 2. God damn it. Nice work, man. Freaking awesome. Jesus. Oof.
Nailed it. Free money. Make sure you don't violate their rules there, otherwise
No,
you gotta
no,
pay them
no.
more money.
He is already good, but he has to go to fix to complete step 2. Step 2 is like you should do $1,000.
There's a minimum of days traded though, isn't there?
No, no.
No? They don't have that?
He can trade and like do small,
Micro
but
lots.
yeah, like you don't have like it's not. Uh, the biggest problem is drawdown and how many lots you can actually trade. That's the problem, not.
Yeah, did they limit, like, it's crazy limited to like 3 lots or something unless you got
5.
one of their big accounts, isn't it?
Y-
5?
Uh,
Alright, that's not so bad.
no,
Let's scale
but
with that.
yeah, but Black Flag Marine is went to the highest one, so it's 5. But
Okay, straight to the
uh,
top.
people should understand it's technically not 150k. It's like 4k drawdown a day. So it's technically 4k.
Even on 150 with 5 lots.
Yeah, you can
Ooh,
only
that's a
have.
bit dicier.
Yeah, you can only have like 3,500, something like that, drawdown max per day. So that's a real number, not like talking that 150k doesn't matter because you can only trade 5 lots and have 3.5k drawdown. So they should say like 5 lots trading, not 150k. That fine, 150.
Yeah, it doesn't matter
Doesn't
how
matter,
much
yeah.
money they give you if your drawdown's limited. Right?
15 lots. Ooh, 15 lots is a lot. So 3k drawdown and 15 lots traded. 15 lots. Let me do a calculation. It's decent position. Yeah, that's
You
fine
could
then.
very easily be under 3k, right? With 15 lots. God, it'd be so many people that scale in way too fast.
Yep.
And what happened when you reach that drawdown? Then you have to do it again.
No.
You're out.
Just if
They take your money.
yeah, you take your money and your it's no. They don't do it on first day. I already saw the Matt trading and he had a 3.5 drawdown and they closed the position automatically. And the funny thing, price went his way after the stop loss.
Oof.
Fucking, it hurts. Like, and the people from chat like always do the same stuff like people do, like telling shit, talking shit, and it already hurts. Like, don't give him hard time. It's really he see what happened. Like, he's a real trader. Like, don't. But doesn't matter anyway. He traded tomorrow again, and I'm not certain when they can take your money and not let you trade anymore. But I am more of a guy like pass their combine and take 5k and put it on your account. Yeah, you're fine.
I like that idea. Just do that over and over again and not trade with their money. I think you have to. The deal is you have to make 5k.
Yeah. When you make first 5k, then you can take it.
Yeah.
But with their money, you're making first 5k with their money. So they after that drawdown, you have to pay $100, $99. So every time you have a 3.3k drawdown, you're going to pay $100. Well, that's not too big of pay, but
No, only let you trade ES, is it? I guess.
no, you can trade NQES and like more stuff.
Oh, futures, all futures, is it? But full lots, no micro lots. No
You
mini.
can trade forex for sure. I guarantee you can trade forex because I already was reading everything.
Products, CME products, futures only. So yeah, there is full contract FX futures as well, but it's still futures.
Yeah, it's still futures. Yeah, you're right. So it's really different trading. God damn it.
Still moves the same way. It's just full lots.
Yeah, that's a big problem.
Yeah, especially the way we trade, right?
I mean, you trade, not
Or the
not
way
me.
I trade. Yeah.
Let's double this up and double again. Why not? No,
Yeah, I don't do that anymore.
yeah. I saw. You're really conservative with your trading last 2 weeks. Like, really, or you're not trading.
Yeah,
Something is.
I made another I made another account, another cTrader account in hedging format, and I'm gonna try out their C-mirror functionality that lets you copy trade. So that way I don't have to manage two accounts. I can just trade on one and it copies it to the other. That's been the real problem. Me trying to trade two accounts at once, and I'll stare at one screen and then I'm like, fuck, my other one. It's too late, damn it.
Too late. Guys,
You trade the same pairs then when you copy trade. Couldn't you just trade higher on one account then?
guys just got a present from my wife. I'm going to put
Oh,
it
yeah?
on the Discord. Yeah, really good. Really, she
Is it
deserves a
another
car.
air conditioner?
No, something I wanted more than air conditioner.
Tesla. She bought you a Tesla.
No, that she
Facebook, yeah.
don't have a budget for
T-shirt.
that. Yeah, but
Sick.
yeah, The one for tattoo
No.
and the second one that I already put one time in the Discord. I don't know how to win, but I'm going to win. I don't know how I'm going to win. I just know I'm not going to lose. That's something I would say like I don't know how to freaking find make this bot, but I know
I
I'm
know.
just going to make it. Like I don't care. GPUSD is going down, 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 down. Motherfucker, fucker, fucker, fucker.
Nice.
Ah, stupid motherfucker, fucker, fucker, fucker. How it calls that movie? Gale or fucker?
That was Terrence and Phillip.
Yeah, that was cool stuff back then. Yeah.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker.
That's on our channels here, like at least 2 times a week. Some of 3 parts, at least one. Every freaking day. Not day, every second day to be more precise. Um, yeah, apparently my wife went to city to buy colors for the walls, but she came back with a present, so really, really awesome. Okay. Didn't expect nothing for me always. Uh, and how fucked up I did with my baby girl. She asked me to buy the how it calls on the English. Just a second. Uh, it's marbles. She wants to play with marbles with her uh, friend. Like she has a neighbor friend. She's also five years old. For my girl is 4, but she's 5, and they're playing with marbles. They're girls. God damn it. Something is off.
No, that's not a thing girls do over there. Girls play marbles here all the time.
Uh, that stuff, when we were young, girls were jumping around, skirts, like dolls. We were playing marbles with the cars and like fighting all the time. So like stuff changed now. Boys like playing video games and act girly when you say to them just stop playing video game. I want to play. Like South Park. They sound like they're from South Park, and girls play with like I don't know, they're pulling themselves through the street with a small tractor, and like you can hear them scream and laughing, and boys just looking at the phone and playing games. Like everything is upside down. I don't know why. Like this GBP is and S100, is that again on your all-time high? Yes, it is. Hello. Excellent. But soon. Hello, all-time high. Come on. Jesus Christ. I missed the input. USD again, down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. 4 minutes till Razor Harp smashes the market.
Yeah.
Did you guys see his message about I get stuck out in 0.3 lots and I never see Sasha did it? Yeah, I think that's too much risk. for her account. So for now, for 0.3 lots, let's see.
He has rules? What? I didn't realize he trades with rules.
Who, me or Razor?
Razor.
No, he asked me. He found himself stuck in a big position, and he never saw we do similar style, and he never saw me doing that. That's because I'm reading slower, and because I think that's too much account size, position size for my account. Because
And because you trade with rules.
yeah, rule, but the first rule I don't want to lose. That's like rule for everybody, not just for me. Like I think in that way we're all the same. Doesn't make sense to lose if you don't have to lose it. But to be able to get yourself out of stupid position, and you're going to enter stupid position, I do it every day. You need to start slow. Yeah, every day I found at least 2 stupid position, and I get mad at myself. Like why? Like
Why
I
would you
click the
do that, me?
button, like didn't have to click there. If I blah myself, no, I'm going to leave it. Higher, come on, higher, goddammit. Stupid Aussie. Not talking to you, Jibs. Talking to simple features.
That's fine, you're right anyway.
No, I'm talking to simple features. Come on. Let's shout to Aussie. Aussie. Come on, push it a bit. Blah blah crutch. Euro CHF. Do you trade that Razer? Dixie, let me check. What do you think about Dixie is just Rect City for now. And 9605, that's my double random line, so if it helps. But this Euro CHF looks like decent short position, 1 hour.
Were you
It's
showing
really
your screen then?
no, that's another MT5 account that I don't want to show on stream.
Okay, sure.
But anyway, let's see. We can see on this one. Doesn't matter. Euro CHF. One hour on templates normal. You're looking at the right, yep. So see the pattern itself.
Back.
Yep. This
It's an hourly too.
where is your CHF on this account? Come on! Faster! Freaking free is still pumping on 5 minutes. Crazy. Side. Let me show what I'm looking at. If you really want to short this. 1 hour. But I'm really going to put stop loss on this. So yeah. This Like this. Why not? Whatever, I can close it. I don't want to look it anymore. I have profit target, stop loss. Total PNL, crazy. Nice gains, man. Flag Marine, that's really good. Expecting a higher local high on a RSFC then dump. Depending on what time frame you're looking at, sir. Sure. What time frame are you looking at, sir? Hello. 4 to Aussie dollar. It's already too late. God damn it. That's Jeeb's fault.
Yep, that's true.
GBP.
I think I might close my GBP long here.
Yeah, I think so too. But I don't want to. On this account, I have 100% of win rate. It's I don't know how many positions. I should look. Custom period. Tab history, okay. Report, HTML. Save. Yep. Let's just see. I really want to see. Custom period today. So total trades 94, winning 100%.
Nice.
Drawdown. That's funny. Should be a bigger drawdown because I had technically 4% drawdown. Why the fuck it doesn't say 4%? Profit factor is 9. Shape ratio is 1.41. Recovery factor 88.9. Oh, crazy. Nice. Looking nice. Only 100% winning rate. Should learn to make more, you know, just in case. Just in sun. Just in case.
Why
Just in
not 120%, Sasha?
Because people are not satisfied with my percent. I told you, man.
Always more. Always
Today I had some blabbling how people already expected I don't know how much winning for 120 bucks.
Oh, God, not this again.
Yeah. I don't want to even start it because my head hurts. And I'm really thinking of just giving everybody money back and stopping with everything, god damn it. Even the small losses, that's like, I don't know, maybe they lost like maybe totally everybody, maybe 100 bucks, 200 bucks. Like I don't need this stupid thing. Like
Yeah.
that's small position, god damn it, don't.
To me, one more thing to distract you, I would suggest.
Yeah, it wasn't my idea from the start, you know what I want to do. You know me really well so far, so like you know my stupid ideas. Hello, what happened there? I wanted to shut down the position and I took a profit target, goddamn. Can you? No, you're not looking at the right account. So this is me. The two position. So they cancel each other. See?
Yeah.
So that was my idea from the start. Technically, you're going to lose one always, but like in 20 days, they cancel each other, and you should be in great profit if my math
damn
is
it.
right.
Close that cable way too early.
Yeah, I didn't want to close it because I had a different position, so I didn't
You had your hedge,
had.
yeah.
Yeah, so like. But now I'm losing there. We'll see. We will see how it goes. I have my ideas, so like, yeah. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't care. But this NAS 100 is just ripping and ripping. God damn it! Like, hey guys, let's go to an 11K. Fucking insanity. No retracement at all. Every fib that was gained wasn't retraced to the previous fib. Fucking insanity. GBP is in the middle, so it really can go other way. Aussie dollar is almost on the middle on the other side, so like it can rip other way. Either way.
Roll of the dice.
Yeah, like let's roll the dice. Where we're going, and like that's percent up or down, like easy. Like be prepared. Like percent up, down, doesn't matter. The funny thing is that NAS 150 minute made all-time high, and US 500 is dragging down. Really interesting part. Really interesting. Fly like an eagle. Going to take profit target here. Delete this one and to do this one. Nice. So this is proper hedge. Some RSI is peeping. Finger is on the button. Yeah, I wonder which one. The NAS 100 is. I don't know what talk made again new all-time high, but something is crazy. Crazy.
You were
Hey,
saying earnings was coming out, wasn't it?
yeah, so I want to see what's
Good point. Actually.
which of the stonks are making all-time highs after all-time highs. And let's check a bit daily on S100, just to see, is this normal? Yeah, it's fine. Like, don't want even to tell you, like, where is 21? Amazingly amazing. Let's see on the S&P. Crazy. 11K.
Jesus Christ.
Fucking insanity. Like, god damn. Look, where is 21? Do you see?
Oh. 9? Is it 9?
Yeah, I'm already like, if it goes down, I'm already pulling the EMA with me. where it should be. But that's like 6% plus.
Fuck. When this falls, it's gonna hurt a lot of people.
But stocks only go up, man.
Yes, sorry, yes, of course.
Insanity. This is, and that was my own fault. I didn't respect my own rule long as NAS 100 short S&P, but really didn't respect stuff like this. This is crazy, crazy. Like US open and saw the pump on Nasdaq, like on the Asia or Sydney Open, or how it calls,
Yeah.
like, and they were like, "Fuck,
yeah.
we have to buy it," and then Asia is going
It's gone
to
up, guys.
fuck, we have to buy this. It's just going up like and in the circle, like, well, this they are going because of USA. USA is going because of them, and just everything is just going up and up and up. Jesus.
I can't see any earnings now.
Nothing is out because the market just opened. I am not sure, like at least 2 hours from now, no earnings should be out.
Fed speaking in an hour and 45 minutes, and Bank of England governor is also speaking then as well. So there could well be some shit that goes down there.
In this projection on the Aussie dollar, let's holding it like, okay, I see this pattern here, but same range. It doesn't break this range too long. Goddamn, that's like 7 days. That's 0.
Casually trolling everyone.
Is 0.7% the same price action. Amazing. Hey, pump. No, I don't want. I like it here. I like it here.
Yeah. I'm comfortable. Alright, it's warm.
Look at BTC. BTC, some action is coming. I don't know. Maybe you should. Misho take a options trade that you closed. Up, down, this and that, and this and that. Insanity. NAS 100. Insanity. Jesus Christ. I wonder, Rivas, I wonder why I took this profit target here on the random spot, because I had it higher here. See, this one.
Was it your little spike up?
I saw it's going down, so I was like, yeah, take a bit more profit here, because this doesn't look promising, because it had 1 week down, second, third, and this candle again, and I was like, yeah, I think it's time for it to again try it. And it's time for Dixie to start pumping, so rect GBP, maybe, possibly. Maybe I order on the random line. Shouldn't be that bad.
Maybe you will.
5990. It's 85 technically, but I need to front run it a bit, so 5990. Here. Yeah, 0.5%, so that's not too much. Nothing too crazy. Crazy. Tesla, yeah. We need Musk to tweet shit again, and it's going to drop 30%.
Yeah.
But
Have a
first,
fight with the Fed again. With the SEC.
yeah. It's amazing how looking at the stuff on the new project is more exhausting for me than trading. Don't know why.
Because you know trading, you know everything you want it to do.
Yeah, but you
But
still look
the newer thing, right?
like I feel like a crap. Totally exhausted. Fucking
Yeah.
insane. Zero point 0.3 there, so it's something like that. If it's going lower, probably. It looks like it's going lower. Black Flag Marine. Fed pumps, well, possibly, because the Dix is dumping, so it really looks like crap, and I still see a 9605 on the Dixie, so yeah, possibly. Come on, come on. GBP like perfectly touched 21 on the 15 minutes and making a hammer, stuff like that.
Mm.
You're mad at yourself, you went out of GBP?
No.
No.
Yes.
I am hearing in your voice. Like, no, and I went without my ears. Just lost my
Sorry.
ears. No problem. I understand. Uh,
I did leave point one lots as a runner, but yeah, compared to the position, I could have left more. This is fine.
hey, we said 1% a day. It's enough.
Mm.
So,
It's not 1% for this account though, is the issue. Scaling's still a problem for me.
for that small account, technically small, it's not, but on the smaller account or the bigger one?
The bigger one.
Wise problem. There's really good. That's a good account, man.
Mm.
Oh, so tired, goddamn it. What the fuck?
Ugh, don't make me yawn, please.
It's like disease. You like when one
Yeah.
do it, everybody has to. Everybody has to get it. Don't know why nothing's happening, because speech is in 2 hours. How much? 19 bars, 5 minutes, 20 bars. Hour and a half. Yeah, something like that. I don't have.
Yeah, hour and a half.
That's too long. So sideways till GBP announces or government pay speech.
That's a lot of sideways. I
Yep.
don't think I'm gonna stay up much longer.
Yeah. Thinking on taking a break. Like I'm up and meeting and everything today was really
Draining.
hard. Yeah. So I think going to call it a day, guys. Thanks for being here, and see you again tomorrow.
Fizz, man, thanks for sharing with us as usual.
All right. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.